Hello children, welcome to today's video session of Standard 8, Lesson 17 in Moral Science, Maturity. Maturity is the full development of an individual physically, mentally, emotionally, psychologically as well as spiritually. In all living creatures of this earth, there is an inner drive towards growth, maturity and self-realization. People develop and mature with age. Some individuals resist change and thus the process of growth stops. Physically, one might appear to be mature person, but emotionally or sometimes psychologically he remains a child. Ravi was a young 13-year-old boy. He appeared very smart and intelligent, but emotionally Ravi behaved like a small child. He always wanted to have his own way, and if he met resistance, he would stamp his feet and start screaming. Everybody avoided him in class and he was left all alone. The reason for this kind of behavior was that Ravi was always treated like a small child at home. His wishes were granted immediately. He was not given any place to develop emotionally. Thus, he was facing a problem in school where he had to interact with the children of his own age group. To grow means to leave the security of the present and move into unknown future. To make this transition successfully, a person has to be armed with real faith in God, hope for a better future and courage to face life in whatever way it comes. Growing up refers to the growth of an overall personality of an individual. Some people grow fast intellectually but remains a dwarf emotionally. Some grow big physically but intellectually they are mere children. Not everybody grows in the same way or at the same time. A famous writer was the opinion. Anybody who imagined that all fruits ripen at the same time as the strawberries knows nothing about grapes. Among human beings, the differences are even greater and more significant. Each person grows in communication with others, not in isolation. Growth is a continuous event or process that is completed only at the time of death. When somebody asks Matthew, "Who made you?" he replied confidently, "God made me, but I am not finished yet." It is important to grow in a normal and harmonious manner. Steps towards maturity. The true growth of an individual is revealed through his response of his own self, his life towards the people and towards God. As he grows in life, he should be aware of his potential as well as his defeat. Only from this stems the feeling of self-respect. There are many people who do not accept their imperfection. Their desire and ambition far exceed their abilities and principles, and so their growth remains stunned psychologically. It is a duty to accept ourselves as we are and make a conscious effort to improve rather than camouflage our shortcomings. Self-reliance. Maturity or growth is a long process which goes from self-discovery to self-confidence. A person must be self-reliant in order to face life and its challenges. Those who lack in this quality freeze into inactive by their own fear of failure. They tend to see problems and difficulties in every opportunity. A mature person is self-confident but without any arrogance. He never looks down on others. Self-reliance can be developed by discovering and developing personal abilities. Each new achievement brings more courage and confidence. Taking interest in work, health, family and friends indicates great maturity. Responsibility. A person who grows in a healthy way gradually develops the ability to think for himself, to make reasonable decisions and to assume responsibilities for the same. Thus, a mature person gradually moves from dependence to responsibility. Mature person respond to people by getting involved and serving the needs of others. They become responsible human beings by serving not only themselves but also all those surrounding them. Growth is thus a smooth, continuous process. It involves self discovery, self reliance, and performing one's duty in a responsible manner. It leads to adjustment and acceptance of life. It involves awareness of oneself, others, and above all, the greatness of God. Thank you.